The motivation for advancing open science lies in various grounds. One is that if we want to have societal desirable outcomes from science and technology, we cannot leave it up to the market alone. Well, in fact, the market will not deliver. And this COVID is a nice example. COVID actually helped us to advance open science, because there it became for everybody apparent that we need to change the way we fund and do research in order to get these societal desirable outcomes. So this was one motivation of doing open science. And another motivation is to make science, let's say, better in the terms of better reproducibility. We have a so-called reproducibility crisis in science, in terms of the data cannot be verified by colleagues, and this has various reasons, but one element is certainly also the lack of openness. So the essential point is that in previous cases of public health, emerging public health issues like Ebola, we were more or less dependent on the moral initiatives of scientists to share data early in the research process. And for that they had to give up their possibility for publication, for instance, because it means the loss of originality. My point is that we have to change the incentive system and reward system for scientists, because we should not be dependent on moral initiatives. We should have scientists automatically, so to speak, do the right thing. And you can do that by changing the incentives, changing the incentives from a big emphasis on only rewarding the outputs of science, like publications, to rewarding the way people do research. And you should not do that directly on the level of individual researchers, but on the level of research missions or institutions, so that you incentivize institutions to let researchers work together. Collaboration is very important, and share data in an early stage of the research process.